Welcome back. Eric here to talk some weather with me. Eric, it was a nice day this morning.
It was not as bright as yesterday, but a good amount of sunshine mixed with a few more clouds than yesterday.
Beautiful picture here.
Yeah, our own meteorologist Jane Grant hanging out at Lewis, Delaware. Look at all that blue sky. So we had enough blue sky to contend with for today, but the clouds are beginning to fill in and the humidity is on the increase as well. So both of those things not making it as nice going into tomorrow. You will definitely notice the humidity and some more clouds across the area, and it will be increasingly wet going through tonight into tomorrow as well. So a bit of a change in the forecast as opposed to recently. So you can see the clouds coming into Georgetown live on the shore, also on Skycam. The wind is a little bit noticeable out there. You can see the flag blowing out of the south and southwest at around 5 to as much as 15 miles per hour. The mixture of sunshine and clouds, lower 80s to upper 70s across the board. A little bit cooler by Wallop, 73 degrees over there. Let's check in with the weather watchers. Clay and Princess Anne, 78 degrees. Joan Bishopville is 80 degrees. Chucky and Lewis reporting 80 degrees. And Nita and Sandtown, Delaware is the warm spot sitting at 82 degrees. We do have a few highly isolated showers in progress. The most noticeable one is this downpour around the Bucktown area just south of Cambridge. No lightning is being produced, but some pretty hefty rain is falling at this given moment in Somerset County as we speak. And a lot of clouds across the area as well. We do see some rain off towards the west, so that comes in for tonight with a few downpours possible throughout the overnight. But the rain should be scattered in nature, all things considered. So you may have noticed a little bit more of a stickiness in the air. That's because dew points are on the rise, a little bit more humidity in the air. And the humidity gets even worse for tomorrow. We'll have dew points approaching close to 70 degrees. So we'll feel more humid throughout the day on Monday. And over the course of the work week, we're not really expecting much in the way of truly dry and refreshing air like what we saw a couple of days ago. But it's certainly not oppressive for the entirety of it, but it looks like the humidity will be peaking by around Thursday ahead of another frontal system, bringing us another chance for showers and thunderstorms. So for tonight, we'll have a few passing showers across the area. It looks like it will be a bit wet for your early morning commute on Monday, so make sure to have the umbrella handy. It looks like the initial batch of rain moves out close to around lunchtime with scattered clouds in place, but then instability develops behind that initial round of rain. We could get a few thunderstorms and downpours to develop across the area. I wouldn't be surprised if any of these thunderstorms produce some gusty winds and some torrential rain in a few isolated locations, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. If storms mature enough and remain stationary enough during the afternoon, some of those downpours could produce 1 to as much as 2 inches in heavily localized areas. I'm not saying that's guaranteed to happen, but the potential is there. So some localized urban flooding and again, some gusty winds can't be ruled out in any thunderstorms that develop tomorrow afternoon. So we will be keeping an eye on that. Tonight, it'll be very warm, 63 to 68 degrees, a little bit muggy out there, passing showers, scattered showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow, 79 to 84 degrees, and it will be humid as well. We'll give it yellow pause and green pause on the Bridges Carpet Dog Hockey forecast with Jasper. The marine forecast, no issues with any small craft advisories, and the Skeeter meter. It's going to be high for the next few days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So mosquito season is coming here in full force. So we'll dry things out by Tuesday, scattered clouds, same thing with Wednesday, but later in the evening and especially the overnight, that's going to be our next potential for thunderstorms, which could linger throughout the day on Thursday. That'll be a warm day, 86 degrees, then cooling off a bit and drying out by the time we get to Friday. Deja?